Hey guys, this is Chris again with another mattress review for the Sleep Sherpa. And what I got for you today is the Sweetnight 12-inch plush pillow top hybrid mattress. Now hybrid means it has springs in there. This is the king. The queen I know has 775 springs, so this one's probably around 1,000 individually packaged springs in there, plus 3 layers or more of foam on top, which gives it a really nice soft pillow top feel if you like medium to soft mattresses. Now it does have a bit of sink to it. When you sit on it, when you lay on it, it does feel a little bit more firm. So you might be wondering where I am. I'm actually in the living room here. I didn't take this big king mattress upstairs because it's not staying in my house. I have a friend in need. She's moving into a new house. So we're going to actually donate this to her. So I didn't have to lug the big heavy mattress upstairs. This guy weighs more than 100 pounds, I believe. So it is hard to move around in the box, but with 2 people, me and my wife, actually, she helped me get it in here. No trouble at all. And here you can see easy to unbox, and in a matter of minutes, you've got a fully functional mattress. They do want you to wait 24 hours before you use it, but really it feels about the same now as it did after 10 minutes. So I don't see any issues sleeping on it the first night. Now, how did I sleep on it? Well, we slept great. I actually slept great. Some of these softer mattresses, what I find is I'll wake up in the morning and realize I didn't move at all throughout the night. I really like that about the plush pillow tops. I just feel like I'm really getting a really great night's sleep, and despite the fact I'm not in my bedroom, we closed all the shades in here, and I got a really great night's sleep. My wife also said she slept just fine. So what about the firmness and the bounciness? As I mentioned, maybe a 3 out of 10, maybe a 4 out of 10 in firmness. Other reviewers are calling it maybe a medium firmness. I definitely would say it's on the softer side. It is a little more springy than a pure foam mattress due to those coil springs. Although my son, as you can see here jumping on it, he definitely said it was less springy than another one I recently reviewed, that bed story mattress. So maybe that extra layer of foam, it's got a little bit of memory effect to it. It's not all that bouncy. And there's some pretty good isolation between you and your partner sleeping next to each other. So that's really it, guys. If you want more details, check out the written review on sleepsherpa.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other mattress reviews that Ben has done, the Ultimate Sleep Sherpa, and I'm starting to help him out as well. So until then, we'll check you out next time, and have a good night's sleep.